Hi, Jay Escobar here, escobarj.com, and this video is intermittent fasting for beginners, the most important tips. And there's three main tips that I will give you in this series of videos, and the first tip is going to be staying hydrated. And this is really important when you're intermittent fasting because when you're fasting, you're literally not eating anything. And when you're not consuming anything, you need to be hydrating frequently. Make sure you drink plenty of water. A good rule of thumb is to do the gallon per day. It's always a good goal to aim for, even when you're not intermittent fasting. But this is going to help flush out your system while you're in a fasting period. And if you're using fasting to kind of kickstart your nutrition, because fasting is a great way to reset your gut microbiome. It's also a great way to start losing fat and cutting fat. And there's some really big benefits to intermittent fasting, especially in the terms of like weight loss and fat loss. But also when you're going through your intermittent fasting, you want to make sure that you're staying hydrated throughout the entire time because you're not consuming anything. There is such thing as like a bone broth fast as well. I've done a bone broth fast. Technically, you're breaking your fast when you drink bone broth, but if you're doing like a longer period fast, you can actually be obviously drinking water, but you can also do like a bone broth fast, which helps also reset your gut microbiome, and to help reset everything in there, kind of push things out, and just kind of get your body back to neutrality. In which case, the first thing that you ingest or the first thing that you eat, you're going to be very sensitive to whatever you eat first. So that's the first tip, is to make sure you're staying hydrated throughout your fasting period. And keep an eye out for the next tip I will be releasing tomorrow in your intermittent fasting journey. And other than that, I wish you well. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, subscribe to the channel. I do videos like this all the time on keto, intermittent fasting, nutrition. I'm very passionate about nutrition, and it's something that I have used myself to lose 75 pounds. And that's using the intermittent fasting, this method that I've been teaching you. I was able to lose 75 pounds in about an 8-month period of time. So it works, and it's very, very effective, especially if you are in a carbohydrate or sugar state. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. You can also visit my website. If you'd like personalized coaching, you can visit my website and we can go over a specific nutrition plan specifically set up for you. You can also shoot me an email detailing a few issues you're having or problems or questions you may have. And at the very least, share this with any friends or family members on social media platforms. My whole purpose is to get this message out to as many people as possible and to help as many people as possible. If you'd like to make a donation, you can donate any amount of money that you feel is worth the value of the information given in this video or any of my other videos for that matter. So I hope that you are always learning, always growing, and you are always pushing forward. And I will see you in the next one. Take care.